Hi, my name is Srividya Venkatramana here, and today I thought of bringing to you an interesting uh, concept of perception. Now we all know what perception essentially means. It means our own thoughts, ideas, the way we feel, the way we act, the way we react, etc. Now perception is our own thoughts, beliefs, ideas according to our situation, circumstances, etc. It is something that we own. Okay. And when it comes to perception, perception is important because it helps when there are various perceptions, then it helps in creative idea generation, it helps in problem solving, it helps in brainstorming. All perception is very important. Now, I suddenly thought of one simple thing that when we talk, when we say something, the other person may not understand it in the meaning that we say, or similarly, vice versa. Now, when this happens, it's very important to know first what perception is. So, for that, let me share with you this picture. Yes, in this picture, we see three different individuals, and these three individuals are actually maybe in a class or a meeting, and they say that they tend to agree. Now, if you see the cloud at the top of their head, which represents the mental representations, they are different. This is what perception is all about. The way you think is your own. It's very much different from the way other individual thinks. So this next picture which I would like to explain to you is, this is an animal, this is an elephant, and all these men are blindfolded, and they are asked to feel the the product and guess what it is. Now, interestingly, there are so many answers. Each one has one different answer. Now, this is what I wanted to say, that perception is, uh, you know, very much your own way of belief and thinking, and it's very much different from the way other person thinks. Now, this concept of perception, I would like to explain it with a very simple concept of neuro linguistic programming, NLP, and that is, map is not your territory. Yes, I repeat, map is not your territory. When we talk about map and territory, here we do not mean anything that is related to the history or geography, but when it's map, when then we talk about when it's map, then we talk about our own belief, our thought, our idea, our circumstance, our situation, our experiences. All these things comes under our map. Now, this map is actually a concise and a condensed version of the territory. Now, what is territory? Territory is the real picture, the true picture, the actual, the factual reality. Now, when it comes to map is not the territory, the meaning is what we think needn't be the reality. No. Now, when we talk about this, it's very important that we whenever there is any kind of talk or discussion or suggestion, or when you hear something or when you speak something, it is very important to extend your map, to widen your map, and go to the extent of the territory. It's very important. Now, also it is very important that when you speak to someone, uh, then also you need to understand the other person's map, the situation he is in, the way he will think. It's very important. Now, when you understand this, then the understanding level, the comprehension becomes more better. So, with this thought, I would like to wish you all a very, very happy and a prosperous